Hello students, today in this lecture inside I am going to tell you, as all of you know that tomorrow there is a oral exam and for science we are taking from tomorrow it is starting the oral exam, and for science practical I told you. So for that practical what preparations you have to do, that I am going to explain you in this lecture. So first of all, here if you see from the lessons what I am going to give you, from the lesson easy experiments are there that I am going to give you, and the name of experiment I will give you. So first of all, on the paper you have to write the aim. As all of you know that whatever aim I will give you, that you have to write. Then you have to write the material, apparatus, whatever you need for it, that materials you have to write. Then procedure it's not necessary to write, and afterwards you have to draw the figure if necessary, or diagram, figure or diagram. Then next point is the figure diagram you have to draw. Next part is the observation you have to write, observation, and then inference that you have to write. For example, suppose I will give you the experiment that is parts of flower. So here you have to write the parts of flower experiment, to study the parts of flower, to study the parts of flower. Okay, then material what is necessary, so you need here hibiscus flower. Okay, then figure or diagram you have to draw here for this. Okay, and observation, which parts it has a calyx, how it is there, it is green color part, it is outside whorl of the plant. In the bud situation, when it is in the bud, at that time it protects the inner part of the flower. Then you have to write thalamus, it is also green part, then it is a bulgy part of the flower. Then afterwards corolla, it is colorful in color, then it has attractive color to attract the flowers. Then afterwards you have to write the androecium, gynoecium, what is it for, what it works, that you have to write. And inference inside you have to write the parts of the there are so many parts, whatever flower shows which part, thalamus, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, these all parts are seen in this in the flower, in the hibiscus flower or any other flower. In this way you have to make a page. On one page you have to write this, and whatever you are doing, how you are observing, you are going to make one small video about it, and you are going to send me on my personal number. So I will observe what you are doing in this video and what is your information, means video, and then downside you have to send this page to me, and then you will understand that what that means I will understand how you had done the experiment. So in this way, this year because of the corona we are taking the practical exam. You are doing the practicals at your home, you are making the videos, and you are going to send me the video clip, and that whatever observations page, that full page that I told you, aim, material, figure diagram, observation, inference, whatever are there, that you have to write, and then you are going to send me on my personal number. Then I will check your from that I will give you the marks. So which experiments you have to do for today's for this practical science practical exam, that I am going to tell you now. Okay, so just all of you note down these points. At that time of exam also what happens, I will give you the format about it, but this you just note down if you want them. Now in for us which experiments we can do at home, that I will tell you. Okay, so first of all you have to do the practice of the following experiments. So first of all we will just refer the textbook only, and from that we will take the experiment. So parts of root, also you can do the practice, means here you have to write the aim to study the parts of root, that I will give you at that time whatever is there. So do the practice of this parts of root. Then afterwards here it is the parts of stem, this also you just study. Then afterwards here types of leaves you have to study, different parts of leaf and flower. In this, from this lesson, that you have to the parts of flower. Okay, after that these all things you have to write: calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, that you have to write in the observation figure you have to draw, and then you have to do the following. And then this balloons experiment also you can do easily at home. Okay, so this experiment also you are going to study for the practical exam. In this also air has a mass, that will be the you do the practice from this. I am going to give you the one only experiment for you for the for exam. So this you have to study, air has a mass. Afterwards from this I am going to give you the next experiment, and that is effects of density also you can do. Next experiment is the 5 only experiment I am going to give you, and from that 5 experiment I will tell you which experiments. First of all, that parts of whatever is there, any one from this I will tell you. The next practical is the to study nutrition. No, that not necessary. Then this experiment also you can do easily at home, your home. You just rub this comb on your hair, and you have to take it near to the that flowing water. Okay, slowly flowing water from the tap. And that experiment also you can do. Other paper pieces experiment is there. From this any one static electricity's experiment I told you. So first experiment is the part of whatever is there. Second, air has a mass. And third, I told you the static electricity's experiment, that is the third one. Afterwards, next experiment is the that you have to do for the this one. So here this experiment can you do? So if possible I will give you this experiment if possible. So in this what you have to do, the conduction of heat that you have to show, and for that take any spoon, otherwise anything. Okay, keep it on any wood or whatever is there, and just provide the heat and show me that pins are falling here, and it shows the conduction of heat. Okay, so that is the fourth experiment that I told you for the tomorrow means for practical exam. And then next we will take the so till 10 lesson only experiments are there. So all of you study these 4 experiments for the exam, means study this study for the exam. And one more experiment, that is the density of water experiment we can do. That if you have the water at home, you have to put some ice cubes on it, and then you have to show that these ice cubes are floating on the surface of water. Otherwise, here for the density, you can take the water. If you don't have the fridge at home, you use this water, and inside that water you just show me that which things are sinks. These have the more density, and the things which are float on the surface of water has a less density. So for this exam I am going to tell you which experiments we are taking again. So first of all, I told you from the first lesson there is no experiment. From second lesson I told you have to do the study of which experiment, that is types of roots. Any one from this types of roots. Then afterwards root and roots, observation of roots, to study the root, to study the stem, and to study the flower. From this any one. Okay, then secondly you have to study the properties of the this balloon, air has a mass, that you have to do the practice of it. Nextly from the next lesson I gave you the next experiment, that is the density of water, density of a to study the density of a different substances. Afterwards I told you the next experiment to study for the exam is the experiment which shows the static electricity. Okay, under this you just do this experiment, which is this one, that is with paper pieces just attracted towards the comb when you rub it on your hairs. And second, this only in under this any one experiment you have to show me when you rub the comb on your hair, and if you are taking near to the water, flowing water from the tap, slowly flowing means small we have to take the water flowing, and then what happens, it is attracted towards the comb that you are going to show this experiment. Okay, and after that, this is the static electricity experiment, and then next experiment I told you, the conduction of heat. Okay, so conduction of heat inside, when we provide heat to the one part of part of the rod, what happens, the pins are means it flows, and how the pins are falling, that you have to show me in the experiment. So these are the simple experiment you have to study, and which headings I told you, under that heading only you have to prepare the charts, prepare the paper, and on that paper you have to note down this all, just what I told you, aim, apparatus or material. Otherwise here I told you how to write this, aim, apparatus, then after aim I will give you, apparatus you have to write, then procedure is not necessary to write, figure if necessary you have to draw over there, and then observation, and as you know that last year how you had done, in that way only you have to do this practical exam, observation, and then lastly inference. That is the our inference, that is the our means main points will come in the our practical exam, that you have to note down. You have to make video at the time of doing your practical, and after half an hour you are going to send me that video on my personal number, and by doing the evaluation based on your experiment how you are doing, or from the you are writing that answer sheet practical paper you are sending, from that I am going to give you the marks, or I will evaluate you how you are doing the experiment. So that is about the practical exam of our science this year. As I told you, because of the corona you are at home, so practical exam I am taking. Okay, that's why I gave you the simple experiments, the things which are available at home, that only things I told you to keep for the means before one day I will tell you the things that you have to necessary. Otherwise at the time of experiment only you can take any flower, 3-4 I will give you, from that any one experiment you do, and you are going to send me on my personal number, then I will give you the marks. And this practical exam I am taking, again I am going to clear you the things which are available at your home, that only you have to take, and that experiment you are going to show me. Okay, so the clips is very important. Take the clip whenever you are doing the experiment, that only parts that you have to, suppose flowers you are showing, show me the parts of the flower, which is that means this is the corolla, this is calyx, corolla, androecium. If you are taking the root, then you are going to show me the root, how roots are there, from that root which is the primary root, secondary root, that you have to conduction inside. This is the rod, I took the pins that were available in the home, means in that way you are going to explain me in the video, and 2-3 minutes video make, and then you are going to send me, then I will give you the marks. Okay, so today I told you the information about the oral exam, or oral exam that we are going to conduct it from tomorrow, and for science practical exam there, and how to do that I told you. Okay, so today we are going to stop here only, and after our practical means exam, oral exam of all subjects, we are starting the next part of our study. Okay, and all of you best luck for your oral or practical exam. Okay, so today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.